What up, Junks? How's it going?
Yo.
What up?
Yo, good.
Honestly, I haven't even had a chance to look at the charts. I'm gonna start the live and then I'm gonna look.
But just now.
Alright. Alright, let's take a look.
I don't really know what I like out of Burst here.
Just at a first glance, I like lower. Let me just measure out this range right here. So, coming out of 0.618 of yesterday's range, from the high to the low. What do we have? 15-minute for value out there? BPR? My chart's all fucked up.
Let me see. I just want to see H just because we have an unfilled 4-hour there.
Wait, say it again.
Overall.
You want to see what?
I just want to see Asia just because we have an unfilled 4-hour there.
Like Asia low, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it as well. Is your NQ chart a little screwed up though? Like around the 4:30 yesterday?
No, that's like normal. That's the new day opening gap. That little
that's like
boy.
normal.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, because it's of
Yeah, that's
NVIDIA.
what I had that marked out.
Yeah, so I'm the one that's bugging. Okay, that's supposed to be like that.
Yeah, nah, it's because of NVIDIA. Like fucking, we
There it
closed and like the NVIDIA was up, and then after like NVIDIA came down, so the 6 p.m. open gap down on NQ.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So that's any day opening gap. So I mean, that would actually line with like bearish if we hold that.
Yep.
And like don't take out the high. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna mark that. I completely forgot we had any day opening up. But yeah, if we kind of just hold that, then I do like lower. Asia's equal lows with that 4-hour gap, and then we have midnight below us as well.
Yeah.
And then previous to equilibrium is below Asia for both ES and NQ, like just below Asia. So
This 5-minute right here, we already made the 5-minute CISD. We might make this inverse, dude. This actually might be the start of the move.
yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it does look like pretty solid right here.
It does look pretty good.
5-minute gap right here that might flip. It's like, or actually it's like 15-minute gap.
Yep.
5-minute, yeah. 5-minute looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. 5-minute looks really good actually.
It does. It actually really does.
Sheesh.
I'm gonna run and grab a water. I'll be right back.
No worries.
Wow, that 5-minute close, nice.
Yeah. Next gap is at like 15. We might make like the 15-minute CISD inverse. We have the internal sweep, and then we have that new day opening gap. We tap. This does look like a decent area to come down from.
I actually really do like this area.
It's really like overnight. I wanted to see that 4-hour get rebalanced, and Asia literally made equal lows at the 4-hour. Like, bro, we made like what? We made like 3 doji candles on the hourly, like in Asia last night. Candles that just closed at their opening price.
Yeah, that's actually nuts. Wow.
That is.
I wonder if Dodgy alerted this 5-minute close.
I would think so. Maybe the only reason it wouldn't would be if the 15 was like
Still holding.
a better alert. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we have like what 3 minutes on this 15. Could close. It's a small gap. Ideally, if we see like that CISD on that 15.
We actually did get the alert, and it was an A setup.
Interesting.
Only thing that's missing is an SMT.
I do like this, honestly. Like, I like this area to like start coming down from. It's also like for the expansion that we made up on the higher time frame. Like, I feel like we do need like a deeper retrace before we just start ripping higher again.
That's fair too.
If we want to keep ripping higher overall.
Yo, Frankie, is that my mic or is that DMP's mic? Who sounds like that?
Let me see.
It's probably mine. My mic sucks.
Might be mine. Not sure.
There's an SMT with the gap. Which gap? 4-hour gap, you're saying?
Who, me?
No, someone on the TikTok live.
Oh.
Take a look at the 4-hour. I don't think that there's a SMT gap there. I mean, it's just weird because there's another one there.
Yeah, so ES has like that smaller 4-hour, and then let me see. Yeah, ES has like that smaller 4-hour, and then Enki didn't make that one, but that bigger one, like in like a discounted range, hasn't been filled yet.
Al final, ¿quién va a hacer su
That is Gucci, bro. I've ever heard. I heard exactly what was coming to after that.
What?
I like that was just like pure like Gucci language. Like you could hear it.
Oh.
I couldn't translate what they're saying, but I could definitely tell you that they had a story to tell.
Yeah.
Let's see, this 15 has 20 seconds. I mean, like this inverse would be kind of weak the way this bottom wick looks, but I would also like to get that 15-minute CISD here.
Yeah.
Let's see if we start playing off of that. Take this range, top to bottom too, and like see where we are overall. Up here. Jesus, so we're sitting like right at like 0.6, 0.8 from like if you take the high to like the low of the range.
Yep. That was the first thing that I liked that I did.
Yeah.
I like that.
And then we got that 15-minute inverse, pretty like weak close, but we'll see. 5-minute looks a bit cleaner.
5-minute does look clean. I don't know why we're going up. I mean, this is good though because I mean it saves us from a loss, you know.
And we're also like still pre-market, so
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. See, we made a 5-minute gap there. Tapped a BPR, so we could see what happens from here.
yeah. At this point now we have like pretty good low resistance, at least down to like 343 around there.
Agreed.
Yeah, I mean those Asia equal lows to me just seem like really nice. Like, we literally came down in Asia and then completely edged the 4-hour gap. Like, The only thing that would stop us from going down there is like if we don't have like that much like volatility, we might not just drop 112 points.
Mm-hmm.
The VIX is back down at $17 now. The other thing overall, well, realistically, I do think like we're still like bullish on the higher time frame, but I do just want to see us like retrace
Mm-hmm.
because we expanded so hard like on the 1 hour and 4 hour. Like Tuesday, bro, like the expansion from Tuesday is actually insane.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Like
Yeah.
we watched that SMT get put in, and we watched that shit just rip up.
Mm-hmm. That was
We're
pretty
up
nuts.
3% from that.
Yeah, that was pretty nuts.
Yeah, that is.
Crypto had a nice rally overnight too.
It did. I was talking to Kramer about it.
Uh-huh.
Like he was saying that he's pretty like down on crypto, but he doesn't have like too much leverage into it.
Yeah.
I was just kind of explaining like I like crypto, but I like it more if it's actually regulated because like right now crypto is just retail ran.
That's true.
So like there's no like calculated moves in crypto because it's all ran off of like retail pretty much,
Mm-hmm.
and not like big money. I gotta switch my screen. Hopefully we get some clean movement today. We don't have to deal with some like shop work. So far, I'm kind of noticing here ES is not as correlated to the move down that we have here.
Oops.
Alright, I'm back. Sorry. Alright. Let's see what we want to do, NQ. What do you want to do?
I really do like lower. This new day opening up. The only thing is, I don't really know if that high from yesterday is considered like the Nvidia earnings high, but I don't think so. I think the 430 candle high on the 5-minute is the high. So I think the Nvidia high and low were taken. Because low key, like yesterday, I was kind of like happy we had those Nvidia earnings because we had like a data high and low. But like, bro, we literally opened up at the low
Yeah.
after taking that high at like 435.
So whoever said before is previous day high, data high, low key. It might be, honestly.
Like it looks like it, but then it's the candle after 430. But it's also like fuck, bro, because Nvidia reported like late yesterday, like 30 minutes late.
That's weird.
So like the 4 p.m. candle should be the earnings candle, but instead it was a 430.
Wow, SMT at this internal low, and look at that.
Yeah. Honestly, like an NQ kind of looks like another engineered low,
Mm-hmm.
building on this like low resistance kind of. About 10 minutes in the open. So let's see. If I take like standard deviation on the 5-minute, which I mean I don't really use standard deviation all that much, but see where these levels line up. So like -2 to -2.25 is kind of like on the 5-minute. There's like these equal lows at like 317 from like 130 overnight.
317 or so.
Yeah, equal lows like these two like back-to-back candles, the 125 and the 130 candle.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So there's a projection that kind of lines up around there, and then -4 is at those Asia lows, like literally like a 1.5 point difference. So if we fully expand, which honestly, this looked good because Asia accumulated, right?
Mm-hmm.
London traded higher, and then pre-market here we re-manipulated again through the range highs. Ideally here we should start to see distribution now, and it would make sense if it's to the downside, honestly.
I completely agree. I think we do see some nice expansion today. There's a lot of
Yeah.
low resistance all the way down to Asia.
And overnight didn't move, that crazy for us to,
Mm-hmm.
not have volume today.
Mm-hmm. Agreed.
Overnight moved up a total of what, like around 130-ish points, not counting like pre-market price action.
Mm-hmm.
Not that bad. Volatility does seem like it's like gonna cool down though, because the VIX is down to 17 now from like 21 originally.
Wow, that is actually a pretty good drop.
Yeah. Commodities are also coming down a bit too. Volatility on commodities has come down a lot, actually.
Yeah, it has.
Like gold is back to kind of like trend grinding. Oh, let's see. We did have 8:30 news today. I'm assuming that level was already like manipulated. High and low, yeah. We took the high and low. What a weak 8:30 candle. Like, that's not even news, bro. Like, that is not news.
That shit weak as hell, my boy.
Whatever Trump said at 10:30 the other night was damn near a CPI candle at an Asia session. Like
You going to know.
so yeah, Loki, like from here, if we drop down and like flush through these like range lows at like 345, 25, 345, we flush through these lows, then I think at that point we're just gonna trend down towards those Asia lows.
I agree.
Lows.
100% I agree.
And like ES did fill a 4-hour higher up, but like it's a premium 4-hour. Like ideally I'd want to see us come down for the discounted gap.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know, we'll kind of see. ES looks much stronger than NQ, or like ES looks like it wants to kind of go for that previous day high,
Yeah, it does.
whereas NQ looks like it's falling kind of.
I agree completely.
We'll see. If ES catches up, that would obviously help us out. That small 15-minute on ES is still technically holding, yeah.
Now we got a 1-minute S&T.
Yeah, we have an S&T at the internal low here. ES also traded higher into that like new day opening gap. It's at like CE of that new day opening gap. Just off a glance though, it does look like if ES decides to come down, NQ is gonna end up plummeting. Like
Speed, yeah.
NQ looks primed to come down, yeah.
I agree. Yep. Yo, let's have.
Or knowing our look, we swap strength, ES is gonna end up fucking just plummeting, NQ's gonna stall. Watch.
Oh, nah. That's
What were you gonna say?
I was just gonna say, let's have like a fucking. Let's just have a 1 candle TP today, bro. Just send us
Honestly,
like
bro.
100 points in 1 candle, bro.
That would honestly be baller as fuck.
That would be so nice. Hop right
That's all I
back
need
into
about
bed, rub my feet, fucking close my eyes.
Dude, dead ass. Dead ass didn't even wanna wake up today, like I'm fucking tired of shit.
Yeah, Dev, we're kind of leaning bearish as well, bro. Like the equal lows down at Asia lows.
Yeah, right now it definitely looks like it should come lower. I mean, we're just like super expanded. So like that light retrace overnight, which wasn't really a retrace, but like that kind of like dip down. I feel like it isn't enough to long. Like we need to rebalance into like discount. But I mean, yeah, the 4 hour is definitely like bullish, but I want a short basically in the form of like a retrace.
I agree as well, honestly. Built up so much nice low resistance liquidity over the night. You know, we
hmm
didn't have
And
any.
like those Asia equal lows, bro. Like I can see us sweeping those, hitting that 4 hour, and then like possibly reversing up.
Yeah, no,
Maybe
definitely.
not insane, but like that area just looks really good. And I mean, like overnight, for us to edge that 4 hour like that in Asia, like
Mhm.
make an equal low there is like insane to do. And then we also have like the midnight open below us. So it's like usually rule of thumb if we're above the opening prices, like you usually want to be looking to short if it aligns, and then vice versa.
We're looking pretty correlated here now.
Yeah, now we're looking good.
NYM's just pumping, so this could be the move, brother.
If ES can come down, take out this internal low SMT, I think.
Yeah, broken. Will be
So,
broken.
yeah, we technically have one at the top. It's just like I guess what I would call like a hidden SMT because ES traded higher into that new day opening gap, so it's kind of a divergence between them.
I see. Yeah, yeah.
And then we traded like over that 6 p.m. high on ES, and we didn't do it on Nasdaq. So like that is technically an actual SMT. I just mark it up, but yeah, this does look good for sure.
No, I'm gonna short off of once we had that 5 minute CISD. I just waited for a pullback into that 5 minute order block, and we projected off of it. So got in like nine on that 920 candle at 373.
See if the opening wants to manipulate higher or not.
Yeah, that's the only
We just
thing.
put
I'm
another
break even just
SMT
in
into.
case.
Yeah. Put in another SMT at the bottom here with ES, this range low,
Oh, we
internal
did.
low. It's really just because NQ's far weaker, obviously, but I don't know. I don't think bullish SMTs hold until we get like the higher time frame retrace.
Yeah, down to the
But I
day.
don't want to. I definitely don't want to predict, but it just seems that way.
Yeah. No, I'm not in this trade, Antoine. I'm just tape rating it, kind of. I won't enter till the market opens.
Yeah, still got a minute left. There.
So, I think what we're gonna do is spam full port shorts right at market open.
Honestly, I really could see this thing falling off the market open. It's so weird, bro. Market open like fluctuates. Like there's like phases where it's so easy to play the opening move, and then like right now the opening moves are like really like manipulative. Like you'll see a candle print green and then like flip right in the same minute.
Yeah.
Definitely gotta be careful. I mean, this does look like we'll just kind of like open up and start plummeting down. Honestly, it does seem like one of those days. Why?
20
The
seconds.
15-minute structure just looks like super good for it. Like if we don't hold the sweep of this range and we flush back through, we should just go.
Mm-hmm.
And like this 15-minute close is about to be pretty nice as well. See what happens. We got 5 seconds. See what the open does here.
Yeah, let's see.
Dumpski.
See it?
Yep.
Wow.
we go.
Holy shit.
There we go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Take me to Asia.
Honestly. Take him to China.
Wow. Bro,
Or
I
Trump
mean, what the fuck? This is
yeah, so
insane.
SMT at the bottom here as well.
And
But I mean, we're correlated, but holy.
Please don't pull back on
Oh
me.
my lord.
Jeez, I love
yes,
it.
sir. That's amazing. Love that. No entries.
Alright, fuck it. I'm closing everything there. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck it. I could have held that shit down to Asia, but honestly, bro.
I'm just
Like,
chilling.
holy shit.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah.
what
Here
the
we
fuck
go.
is
Here we go.
this?
Here we go.
I'm not gonna lie. Bro. Are they not gonna give
Yep.
like a or a slight retrace though.
Well, that's what I get for sticking to my rules.
Holy
Nah,
shit.
like I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, wait. We did just edge Asia here.
Yep. Stopped out in profit.
Wait,
I got
there's actually still
80.
opportunity, low key.
There is. Oh my god.
9-3.
They just
80
fucked so
points.
many people that tried to chase, bro.
Yeah, bro, and that's why. Honestly, all right.
Mhm.
So pre-market, I I shorted that inverse, that 15-minute inverse, and I left like a stop at that internal high, like the protected high.
Nice.
But I was gonna close it at Asia. So I originally had my TP at like it was like those 5-minute equal lows that I told you at 283. But then I just closed at 293 when we just started spiking. I
Nah,
kind of like
valid.
played it like options, so I just closed it up.
That's so valid. Good shit, bro.
I also had size on, so like I had 2 minis from the top there. I just wanted to take it out. See, we got a retrace there. There's an SMT in that 1-minute gap, by the way. And Asia's still an open draw right now.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm definitely gonna like hold myself from another trade, although I do think like Asia's gonna get taken here soon. Yeah, we'll
Just
see.
take it. Just take it.
Yeah, this
Go
push
right there,
down.
guy.
Yeah, that should send us to Asia right there, I think. Honestly, I want to see if we react off of Asia. I mean, that 4 hours is huge, but I want to see. I mean, previous day equilibrium is at 243, right below Asia. So, I mean, we've come down pretty fast. This could be like some manipulation potentially. See what happens here. We're also kind of like stalling the closer we get, low key.
Mhm.
See what happens.
I did take that 15-second. I'm holding for Asia.
I like it honestly. As long as you have a nice protected stop there,
Yeah,
just go for it.
I am break even already. Let's see if we flush it.
Come on, NQ, give us a nice spike down
Come
for the
on.
one time we can be done before 9:35 today.
Come on.
Everyone can be paid.
Come on. No.
Slam it, NQ. 10 points. 10 points. There we go. Come on. Right there. Right there. Come on. We just.
Slam it.
Come on, NQ. Don't troll. You know you want to rebound to 4 hours.
Come
Let's
on.
go.
There we go. TP smashed.
Bang.
Let's go.
I'm such a chud for not holding, but sorry.
Let's go, fellas.
How many points? Let me see how many points I missed out on not holding. I missed out on an extra 27 points.
Yeah,
So that
so
is.
30 points.
Let's fucking go, fellas.
Damn, I missed out on an extra grand.
Holy shit.
But I made 2,200 per account.
Let's fucking go, man.
Oh shit, a
10K
10K day. Let's go.
My man just had a 10K day. Didn't even realize it.
You gotta trust the process, man.
Hell yeah.
Mhm.
See, I went back, I analyzed my Apex trades, and I realized my best trades are when I just slam them. I don't care, and I saw that 15-minute everything align. I didn't care, just slam it, slam the short. And like, holy, you were right too. It really was just kind of like a one candle down, at least on like the 15.
That was it, man.
Literally opened the 930 candle and just plummeted straight through the equal lows. So now we have SMT at those equal lows. Those are the main draw. The Asia low is the main draw here. So now, ideally, we want to see like, what we start doing from this area. But I would say if you are not short, or if you weren't short already, definitely don't try to short around here unless we just flush through the 4 hour and start making our way down to like other draws. But yeah, Asia was like the only draw lower here into that 4 hour. We'll see if we we start to like form a reversal here or not.
Yeah.
I mean, holy shit.
Yeah, we are just melting. It's just fucked in this area here because now there are no targets anymore. Like in this 4 hour, we're kind of just inside of it. We just have previous day equilibrium. Obviously, there's nothing about this looks reverse like though.
Yeah, no.
Jesus Christ.
GG's, fellas.
Yep, GG's, we're going to 0. Yesterday was the last day to take your profit.
Yes, bro.
Like, dude, oh my god, I haven't even looked at Nvidia. I'm pretty sure Nvidia sold off every piece of those earnings actually. I don't know what they said in their little conference, but whatever they said, the investors did not like it because Nvidia's down 3% on the day. Dude, holy shit, everything is just a vertical line down. Jesus Christ.
It's over, bro.
Bro, I hate the days where like I take a short like that and then we just continue just to flush, and just like simply because I don't use runners, like I don't get to extend my TPs. So we're down 70 points from where I TP'd at. We're back above previous day equilibrium here. Still have S&T with ES Asia. Like this 5 minutes so bearish. Like now this 5 minute would have to like flip this huge gap at least.
Man, what a fucking day, bro.
Yeah, honestly, like I mean, it couldn't have been more free. Like I'm actually like really glad that it just plummeted. I didn't have to really think because I am fucking tired.
Yo, like I said, bro, it's time to fucking hop back in bed, rub our feet, and close our eyes, bro.
Dead
That's it, man. We did our job for today.
We're done less than 10 minutes into pre-market or into market. Like it's insane. We're done before people are like swiping their card to clock in.
Bro, someone just clocked in, ready to fucking like actually quit their job and commit murder, and we're about to go jump back into bed.
Yeah, nah, dead ass. Like
Lives
gotta
could
sit
be
there.
so different, bro. Oh,
Yeah,
this
it
guy,
just comes down to
Chad still gotta go to work. Oh man.
fucking man, slam a sick trade, call out. Slam.
Bro, no, dead ass though.
Dude, holy V shape in the bottom here though. Low key.
Yeah. Took a 30-second inverse, but I'll break even. And just see how it goes.
3 minute, 5 minute. We're gonna make this huge
There's
5
too many
minute
gaps
gap.
up below us. Yeah.
We might start to set up like a mech model type of like setup where we trade back into internal levels. So now we took out like the external level, we might trade back up into like internal levels, like the 5 minute gap just above us might get traded back to possibly. ES though just looks like really weak compared to Nkilo.
Okay. And we just reacted strongly off of a 1 minute. There's so could grind lower.
Yeah. I just don't have any targets lower, like inside this 4 hour gap. Everything is kind of like
Yeah.
like the next target lower realistically is down all the way at like, I guess if you this internal low like 124 is in the 4 hour, but right now we're just like inside of a huge like 15-minute gap. We're in that 4 hour gap.
Mhm.
Tap equilibrium of this range, this huge range that we're in, kind of, or at least from like yesterday's range.
There was a signal right here, bro. There was a signal on the 5 minute. You had to change your bias to bearish, right? Because we're super bearish coming into the day. Obviously, you got to use a little bit of human discretion. The indicator's not going to do everything for you. If you keep it on bullish or neutral, right, it'll show you that there was a 5-minute inverse right here, which if you use a little bit of your brain, you know that that's a terrible inverse, right? You're not going to be taking this trade right here. There was an inverse right there. That's why you kind of had to set it to bearish coming into the day. That's why I always preach using a little bit of human discretion with the indicator, because it completely caught it for you, right? It's insane. The indicator is in the bio. It's the IFEG Ultimate Plus. We're the developing team behind Dodgy's indicator, so we built it out with him. We took the last like 8 months to build this entire indicator with him, and it catches every single A+ setup that anyone will catch like by hand. So we're talking about PB, we're talking about Riley Botha, we're talking about Dodgy, right? All of their trades will be caught using this indicator. It's an all-in-one indicator. It's insane. I'm not saying that obviously we copied their strategy, but I'm just saying that generally most people are trading IFGs the exact same way, and we kind of coded that into the indicator. So it's a really good indicator. It catches everything. It includes entry signal. It includes high time frame for value gap. So I'm just going to go on here, right? I'm going to remove all 3 drawings. Now you're going to see everything is done by an indicator. So we have, key opens, we have 15-minute fair value gaps, we have inverses, we have entry signals. If we go into the actual indicator in the settings, we have buy side, sell side, we have relative equal highs and lows, we have data highs and lows, we have all the session highs and lows, we have previous week high and previous day low, we have key opens, we have SMT, auto SMT detection. We're the first company in the entire industry to do something like this. So auto SMT is sick. I'm going to show you right now. So we have an auto SMT. So it completely caught the SMT when we had it down here, and we know that we're on NQ, so it'll automatically look for ES's updates. But if we go now to a gold, it'll automatically populate an SMT with silver. So let's see if there's an SMT anywhere. Yeah, so there's an SMT right here. It's not showing it, but it's auto populating that it's with silver. Let's see if it, yeah, so it's not going to auto populate here, but it does auto populate that this is silver. Let's see if there was, yeah, so SMT with SIL. So dude, it's the best indicator in the entire world, bro, like hands down, no doubt about it. It's insane, actually insane. And if you missed this 5-minute inverse, the 1 minute was caught as well. Wait for the 1 minute to populate. Ready? Wait for this 1 second. 1 sec. Oh, the 1 minute was populated before. It must have gone away. Hold on, let me up this to like 4. We did catch the top though. 1 second. Oh, I don't know why it's not saying that it caught the top, but there was an entry signal right here before. This one would have been a break even, unfortunately, but yeah, I mean, this indicator really is fucking fantastic. It's so good, man. Give it a shot. You would have paid for the entire month or the entire year within this one trade.
That is insane.
And I'm up 2250 on it. I had no idea. Jesus fucking gamble.
Wait, what happened? Sorry, I missed it.
So I had the two, the ones I was deep in drawdown on my expresses that I was saving for CPI to get back. I took a micro shot. I thought I took a micro short when I took the trade early off that bearish 5-minute order block. I took the mini, and I'm up 2,000 on it.
Holy shit!
So now, I'm back in the game, baby. Jesus, holy luck! All right, so got another reaction off that 30-second order block. If I'm trading order blocks, this looks great for me, but the way this chopping around right here doesn't like fit what's going on.
Yeah, I mean, we're still holding like weakness. The only thing, like, so with price here, it's like we could very well keep plummeting, right? We can drop another 100 points.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have like a clear level lower to target, so it's kind of like shorting through this 4 hours is super risky, because anywhere in this 4 hour now we can potentially start to bounce, or like we can go sideways, whatever the case. Obviously, like, we look super weak right here, but it's just like there's just no target. Like if you go on the 15 right here, right, like at least, like, we would at least want to see this 15-minute like inverse, this huge 15-minute gap. Would at least want to see a close there, and then we can start framing maybe shorts through the rest of the 4 hour gap. But it's definitely just like a weird area to be in though, because that 4 hour gap is what, 170 points wide. So it's like This is like an area now, like where if you have runners, you let your runners run. But
Yeah, just
like
let
if
them
you don't
run.
have any risk on, then
Yeah.
you'll just be kind of like wanting to be picky down here with what you take.
Mhm.
And you'll notice on the 1 minute, like we came down, we took out that Asia area, right? We took out previous to equilibrium. Now we're kind of like stagnating a little bit
Mhm.
towards this area. And ES just tapped previous to equilibrium here at the bottom as well. Right at price at 6937. We tapped previous to equilibrium. Let's see what we do there. ES also has not tapped that 4 hour yet, so we do have a gap SMT on the 4 hour currently.
Kahada, you said that you didn't want to take trades in pre-market, right? And I'm or like you want to stop not taking trades in pre-market. Like I'm the same way, where I held off taking this trade, but then once market opens, right, we have a gap SMT with the 1 minute right here, and then we instantly flip this like super hard rejection, right? I actually took my entry on this candle close right here, this 15 second. It wasn't even this original 15 second, and it still played out. You gotta just, I don't know how to explain it. You gotta like use some discretion, and I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. It'll come with time though.
My like rule of thumb, like pre-market, like yesterday, right? Like pre-market, like I always say, like if we have a good 5 minute and 15 minute structure pre-market, and there's a good setup that presents off of those time frames,
Mm-hmm.
and you have a good protected stop, where like today's case, we had that 15 minute inverse, we had a good protected stop at the high, right? We swept out internal liquidity, tapped the end dog, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have 5 15 minute structure, it's very valid. But like yesterday, for example, right? Like Dodgy took that 1 minute setup pre-market and it didn't play out.
Mm-hmm.
I've noticed like the lower time frame on like from pre-market, and even just like in your slower sessions, like even overnight, they like your lower time frames don't typically play out as clean as like going to the 5 minute or higher
Mm-hmm. No, you're right.
from what I've
100%.
seen.
You're right.
But yeah, it does just come down to like discretion. Like today, I mean, you could kind of see we were starting to build like heavy volume to the downside pre-market. And then, you know, from there, you can easily gauge like, okay, we have equal lows at Asia. We definitely should come lower. But it's definitely all just discretion based, really. But like overall, it's a good rule just to like not trade pre-market or like overnight sessions. Like you'll stick to New York AM, and then as you start to build experience and discretion, then you'll open yourself to like other instruments or other like sessions.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, fellas. I mean, I don't know. Kind of call it early, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, I've done pretty fast. I mean, the objective for the day is taken, right? Like,
Yeah.
if you're short still, like ideally you're just holding runners at this point. But if you haven't entered anything, I would just preserve capital here. I mean, if you can see the move from the open, you can see we're kind of like stagnating now, starting to slow down. So I'll just be very careful. But if anyone has like any questions, or if anyone has trades that they want us to look over, anything like that, we can do that now.
Yeah, I'll answer your DM right now, Corey. Equal lows were at Asia. Yeah, we took out the equal lows.
Might have to switch from Forex to future, seeing this price action. Yeah, I mean Forex is just kind of like, I feel like trading Forex on the side of futures is cool, but like mainly trading Forex is hard to do overall. Forex has like too many contingencies within it. You have spreads, fees, etc. Can we look at gold?
Yeah, let me lock out prices.
Whose screen are you looking at, Riz? Jan? What do you call it, Jan? Someone wants you to look at gold, yeah.
Yeah, gold. What time frame? You want to see like the dodge indicator? Is that what you're saying? One minute, I want to see if we can push higher. I mean, it's definitely possible that we could push higher. It's just, I don't know. It's hard to, when we, like, actually form a reversal, after we're being bearish for super long. This could definitely be the point where we reverse from, but, like, in my head, I always like to see external and internal liquidity being swept. So we took out external right here, New York PM, But like I want to see us now remanipulate New York AM low to then really redistribute us and like start the market maker buy model up higher. I could be completely wrong, right? And we could just start the market maker buy model from here. But then this is kind of where I would be waiting to just catch like a continuation, not the actual reversal from the bottom, you know? The indicator that shows SMTs is the Doji indicator, the IFEG Ultimate Plus. We also sell like SSMTs if you wanted to purchase that. I can't believe this 5 minute delivered that nice, bro. That was so nice.
Yeah, it really was. I mean, like that 15 minute, like I didn't insanely like the close, but at the same time, like that high was like kind of obvious. Like, okay, that should be a protected high. And then like I kind of used, like I didn't really use it as a rejection block, but I took note of that wick that we made at 8:45 and saw how we reacted. And like we wick filled closed at 15 minute.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next candle after that, the 9:15 was like a confirmation. I just went break even at that 6 a.m. low at like 3:45 and then held.
Mm-hmm. Sheena, you see these equal lows right here? This red line. You see how there's equal? We took them out on Asia. They were Asia had the equal lows. And then we took them out.
Yeah, I mean, equal lows at a 4-hour gap overnight. I mean, that shit, like, if we came down and we did not take those Asia lows, I may have quit today.
Oh, yeah, no. You would have seen, like, probably a monitor broken in the chat at some point.
Oh, yeah. Headbutting the monitor.
We should probably headbutt our monitors for not holding, though.
Yeah, I mean, this shit happens every fucking time I short. Not even long. Like, it's never long. Like, my longs, I always take, like, profit at, like, a good area. My shorts, I'm just, like, I am just chud. Like, I take my shorts out and...
That's crazy to me because, dude, shorts, like, are my best, like, asset. I don't know. Like, bro, when I see the market falling, bro, like, I want us to bleed, bro. I want us, like, I don't know how to explain it, bro.
I used to be way better at holding, like, just, like, being able to hold. But then, like, bro, that fucking, like, it's Apex ruined me because I wouldn't hold on Apex. Apex is just simply taking, like, a 1R or even less and then just being done, and that's okay. And now it's, like, now I'm back on firms where I can actually take advantage of moves, but it doesn't, like, feel normal to do, so I just never do it. But, I mean, today was a 1.7R, you know, that's
That's beautiful.
Little bit above a 1R, not bad.
Hell yeah.
Bro, but we're down 100 points from where I TP'd. It's actually disgusting.
Oh, no, I feel you. I feel you.
Like, no way. But you know what? There's always another day.
All right, fellas, probably give it 5 minutes after 10 o'clock. Wait to see if we can call out some sort of a 10 a.m. PO3, and then probably going to pack it up after that.
Done.
I just want this to bleed. I still got 2 micros running. I'm just chilling it. Jesus Christ. This thing is just chopping its way down.
Portfolio's back under 40, bro.
Tell me about it, dude. Oh, you're looking so good, man. NVIDIA was pumping. My fucking port came back to a great area. I was happy, man. Now we're back where we started.
Now I want to curl up into a ball and cry myself to sleep.
And then, like, bro, this shit is happening and Meta is just, like, calmly going against the market, just going higher. Like, what?
Bro, I saw some kid last night, literally a kid, like 23 probably, had like $1 million in Robinhood, but like that was just like in one position. He said that he bought $1 million worth of Microsoft 2x leverage at this area. Like he really likes it at this area. Bro,
Jesus Christ.
He bought the 2x leverage. He took a screenshot like right after he like entered the trade or whatever, just to show that like he was in the position to like make the video or whatever. The guy was up 2% within like a split second, and it was 22 grand, bro. Dude, bro, I was like, what the fuck? I was like, bro, you're taking a screenshot to confirm that you're inside of the trade, and just you happen to be up 2%, and that just was 22 grand, bro. Just that's just insane.
It's insane.
Honestly.
I mean,
it really
that's
goes
like,
to show
that's
there's
crazy
levels.
how leverage works. Yeah, like, you know, because, like, bro, like, most of any option you take is going to make at least, like, you know, a couple percent gain. And, like, to think that 2% can easily just print him 20K. I mean, obviously, risk to reward wise, it's like fry, but it's like, bro, 20K is 20K.
Bro, give me that 20K. I'll go fucking.
Facts.
I won't say that on stream, but I'll go do some crazy stuff for 20K.
I won't say that on stream. W. He's getting PR trained. Let's
I'm
go.
learning. I'm learning from my mistakes.
Let's go.
That's cold growth right
Bro,
there.
there's someone in our Discord live, and his Discord is named I Buy My Luck. That's kind of sick.
That's kind of fire.
Yeah, these lives are popping, man.
Poppin'? Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, guys, we will probably be on for like till like 10ish, a little bit after. We'll see what 10 a.m. does. So if you guys have questions, type it in chat. I'll join the TikTok chat as well if anyone there has questions.
Wow, 37 people in here right now. And it's like,
Yeah.
that's after we hit the trade and everything. It's pretty sick.
Yeah, bro, we were done today with quickness. That short that you took down to Asia, bro, I was so tempted. Like, we had a gap SMT there. They had that 1 minute gap, and I had an SMT, and we like were completely respecting it. And I thought to enter mid. It probably would have been like your 15-second entry, but I would have entered like on the 1 minute to stop displacement. And yeah, that was just super clean. I just faded it. But
Pull up my chart real quick, my screen. Brandon, yeah, we're all done. So you called out the gap SMT, bro. So watch this. So you called out the gap SMT right when this candle had closed. Like right when this candle had closed, you called it out. So I was like, holy shit, like this is insane. I actually took entry right here. I actually didn't get filled at this one, and I had my stop like right here, and I was just targeting a 1-to-1.
See, that's just better confirmation too, like waiting for the next candle to see what it does.
It was, but it could have fucked me for like a break even spot. So like I went break even at this internal low, and it came close to edging it, but you know it fully hit. But I mean, when you called out that gap SMT, bro, I quickly looked on the 1 minute. I saw that there was that gap SMT, and I was like, holy shit, this is it right here.
Yeah, like that shit delivered us way harder than I thought. Like I was like so contemplating. I was like, honestly, do I want to put risk back on? And I was like, fuck it, man.
Nah,
I'm in my compound mindset right now.
Yeah, thank you for calling that shit out, bro.
No problem.
The Discord's for free, Wavy. Just pull up, bro. Is it possible NQ might go for previous week low? I mean, anything's possible. Previous week low, though? Holy shit.
Bro, if we come down there, I might cry. If we sell all this back off, I genuinely might end it.
Bro, 24,450. That's another, what,
That's a
600
lot.
points?
But typical of NQ.
I mean, it's
Long way
possible.
down.
I've literally seen Powell come on, speak, and within 15 minutes, us lose 1,000 points.
Bro, I've seen Powell literally walk up to the stand and say good afternoon and watch us just die. Like, what do you mean we're selling because he said good afternoon? Nah, Powell days used to be funny as shit, especially like in the Biden markets, because like he would like cause super insane volatility, because like that'd be like the first like strong like speech we would get, and Powell markets were insane. Like FOMC days during Biden were insane. Not gonna lie.
Insane.
Now FOMC is like so predictable because you know Trump is always talking about all of his policies and everything leading up to FOMC and shit. The markets are way different under Trump's presidency than Biden, like for sure. But honestly, I think if you last through these markets, then going into the future you'll be good. Like these markets are so manipulative.
See, that's what I was thinking in December of 2024, and we went through a whole year, and it's still fucking shit.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know how much longer
that's
I can
fair
hold
when you
out.
say it that way.
Nah, I will admit wholeheartedly, February has been like I want
Much
to kiss
cleaner.
February, bro. It's been chef's
Yeah.
kiss, bro.
Definitely been much cleaner for sure. way better delivery. I mean, we just, January was just super range bound really on the higher time frame, and January we finally actually started to like move past the ranges, actually make displacement.
I mean, look at this, bro.
Holy
Yeah, we're going to
flush.
previous week low. Sell
Yeah, it's over.
everything, bro.
1-0. New day opening gap filled. 0 we go. Honestly, yeah.
I don't even know what
New
my
day
target
opening
is
gap.
at this point.
Rob,
Just
honestly, bro,
You can target 105.
go take a nap,
105.
bro, and then pull up the phone.
Oh yeah, that's my target. Yeah, I had a draw, that hourly draw right there, 105, 106.
Yeah,
I might just
105 hourly cap, man.
yeah.
I mean, goddamn.
We are flushing.
I think I might. Yeah, I'm gonna put my target right there and just trail. We'll see what happens.
We could go over the.
I made sure to close my trade of it so I don't get tempted on anything.
Yeah, no, it's valid.
Yeah, I'm locked out of 2 out of 3 of mine.
I thought Tradeovate added a lockout feature. Is that not true?
Only for live accounts.
Time to open a live. No, I'm just
So
honestly, yeah, that is a goal this year though. I want to get a live account.
definitely. I'm quickly gonna break down the trade that we took, and then I'm gonna probably hop off. So Daniel, so this was it. So we were inside of this 15-minute fair value gap. London high was right here. We'd swept out London high, and we made this fair value gap right here. Just waited for confirmation basically. So that was it. So we had a sweep. We were delivering from a high time frame fair value gap. We had an INFG candle close with volume, and then clear targets to target. I didn't take this. DMP took this 15-minute close right here. So once this candle closed, he took this 15-minute. I waited until market had opened. So 1 second, wait for it to load right here. Oh crap, it's broken. I broke it.
It's broken.
Okay,
Arthur
I
says
trail
he's
too.
gonna target 09 lows. Nah, Arthur fucking 08 lows, bro.
I
So
trail too tight. I'm out now.
that was the trade, and then New York AM opens right here. I dropped down to the 15-second. We had this candle flip right here, gap SMT right here, and just down to Asia lows. That's it.
I got a total of 215 points.
Jesus Christ! Like what
Yeah.
the fuck?
Yeah, it's fucking insane.
Wow.
Holy. Yeah, I always like. I literally want to hit myself when I don't hold sometimes, but fuck it, man. Fuck it. One day I'll hold my trades longer. Honestly, it really just comes down to I don't run runners. Like if I ran runners, then I would hold, but like holding a full position down is like insane. I feel like.
So there's kind of both sides to that. Like I can tell you from personal experience that micros is the way to go for that exact situation.
Yeah, for scaling purposes.
But
Yeah.
having minis and taking profits fully is a W as well. It's pros and cons to both such.
I think it comes down to preference at that point.
Yeah.
Like I think partials ease psychology because on the way like through your trade you're taking profits and then like like okay it comes back against you, you're still up compared to like holding full position, it's either break even or TP.
I don't know if y'all look at this, but I see a RSI divergence.
I look at it sometimes, like I'll use it as like
Yeah.
somewhat of a confluence.
And we're about to inverse a 1 minute.
ES
So
did
I
just
might
tap that 4 hour and it also came back into that new week opening gap for this week.
Yeah.
Although I mean we've used that
Kinda
new week
closed
opening
it.
gap a lot.
That candle just closed it by like a tick or two, so I don't trust it as much. I thought we were about to fly through there.
Brandon, you gotta.
Yeah, I can't believe
But I do like that hourly draw.
Brandon, you gotta just pass that account. Man.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same, bro. Fuck it, just pass the account and fucking rent them.
Yeah, bro, it's $90. That's it.
Make them pay for what they did.
Exactly. Yeah, one more question, bro. How will you know if we are going long or short on the indicator? So red is short, and then blue is buy. Is long. That's it.
Are those gifts?
That.
Where? Oh, like TP.
that guy?
The TP
Yeah.
symbol? I think so. I don't know though. Maybe. I appreciate it, TP. Thank you for the gift, bro.
Yeah, today was super clean. We were literally done before 9:40 a.m. We were done before the market had even been open 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I saw it.
Will news data most likely be bullish tomorrow? Hold on. Let me look at the daily first off.
What do we have for tomorrow, actually? Let me check.
I don't know. I kind of like
Oh, we do have PPI tomorrow.
bearish. Yo, what did I say, bro? Right? Fucking when we were at the bottom, come retap equilibrium
Yep.
of the range, and then come back
Come back
down
into
for
that
the
volume imbalance.
yep, and then come back down
Yep.
for the equal lows, bro.
Yeah, it's over. We're going to 0.
Dude, I mean, I hate to toot my own horn, I really do, bro, but I fucking called this whole move out, and I'm such a fucking bitch, bro. I'm a pussy. I literally called the whole move out. Had the fucking position. I was
if we're being
holding the
real-
position. I was holding the contract, and I still sold it. What's wrong with me?
But honestly, that might have saved you because like the daily has been doing some bullshit. Like we can like that range that we made at the bottom there might have like decayed the fuck out of those contracts depending on
That's
your
fair.
expiration for them.
That's fair.
So honestly, you probably saved yourself because we have been like we would want to have seen that inverse on the daily just completely send us, and then we came down, edged that low, and then it just ranged again. So I mean,
This is kind of like what we do on the lower time frames. Literally, like displace all the way down to the low, edge the low, retrace to equilibrium, and then actually sweep internal range and then fucking deliver us. Like I guarantee you, this is gonna be the move that sends us down to the equal lows. It's gotta be.
yeah, nah, like the daily.
SMT.
Like the daily just looks after we got that accumulation sweep that you had talked about and tapped that daily gap. Like I mean, overall we're completely respecting like that entire structure.
1 hour has or 4 hour has a nice SMT. I didn't even realize that with the accumulation phase from.
Bro, that's why I like this indicator because like there's a lot of SMTs in the higher time frame that like you have to
don't
like
even notice.
literally squint to go and find, and like this indicator will just plot it out for you and you can just run based on it.
Wow, yeah.
Smoke. You know,
All right,
it wants to
fellas.
go lower. Just do it.
I think we're gonna call it here.
Yeah. Yep.
All right,
Great
great.
day, fellas.
Yeah, great work, fellas. We'll,
Good work today.
see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we can end the week on a great note.
Hell yeah. Peace
Yep.
out, fellas.
Get you guys in.
Peace.